Sometimes you may have bought a new Android phone, but before you might have been using an Apple iPhone, so you may want to transfer all your data from your Apple iPhone to your new Android phone. In this video, we'll be telling you how to transfer your old data from your old iPhone to your new Android phone. Anyways, to do this, the first thing is that you need to do this when you're setting up your Android phone only. But one thing is that sometimes when you're watching this video, you might have already done every setup on your new Android phone. In that case, what you can do is format your Android phone. For that, go to Settings, and after going to Settings, search for either the Reset or Factory Reset option. When you're searching for Reset, Factory Reset, or Erase, you can see the Erase All Data option. Click on this, and here you can see the Erase All Data or Factory Reset option. Click on that. And when you're clicking on that, you'll be asked to confirm your passcode. After entering the passcode, here you can see a pop-up message like this. Here, click on Clear. And when you're clicking on that, here again you can see a pop-up message like this. Click on Clear. When you're clicking on that, all data will be erased. Now your phone will be switched off, and wait for the factory reset to complete. Now, my phone's factory reset is completed. Now you can set up your phone like a new phone. And here you can see the Next button. Click on this Next button. After that, select your language, then click on the Next button. Then next, select your region and click on this Next button. And after that, here you can see a page like this. Click on Next. And when you're clicking on that, you'll reach a page like this. Here, the important thing is that you shouldn't skip this. You need to select iPhone or iPad. Click on this. When you're clicking on that, first you'll be asked to connect to Wi-Fi. For example, I'm connecting to this Wi-Fi. Now, Wi-Fi is connected. After that, click on this Continue button. When you're clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Wait for a few minutes. Now, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Now, here you can see a page like this. Here, you need to click on the Next button. Now, you need to connect your phones. You need to connect both your devices with a Type-C to Type-C cable. That means this type of cable. Normally, with Apple iPhone 15 or later models, you'll get this type of cable. Anyways, I'm connecting both phones. When you're connecting your Apple iPhone, you can see a pop-up message like this. Click on Trust. When you're clicking on that, you'll be asked to confirm your passcode. Now on your new phone, you can see devices are connected. Click on Next. When you're clicking on that, you can see Getting Ready to Copy. On your old iPhone, you need to enter your passcode. Now wait for a few seconds, and you'll reach a new page. Now you can see a page like this. Now here, they're asking what data should be copied to this new Android phone. If you want to copy all your messages, you can turn on Messages. If you want to copy contacts, you can turn that on. It's better to turn on contacts because later, you don't need to copy them. The important thing is that you need to tick photos and videos. So if you're ticking that, all photos and videos on this old iPhone will be transferred to this Android phone. So you need to tick that. But for this tutorial purpose, I'm turning these options off. And here, you can see apps also. When you're clicking on this, you can see all the apps installed on your Apple iPhone. If you want, you can select all the apps. After that, when every setup is completed, all the apps will be automatically installed on your Android phone. But if you want only some applications, you can untick this and you can select only specific applications. For example, I'm selecting this application. After that, click on this OK button, and after that, click on this Copy button. And when you're clicking on that, copying will be started. Before that, you need to confirm your passcode on your old Apple iPhone. After that, on your new phone, you need to set your password. For example, I'm creating one passcode. And this time only, it's better to set up your fingerprint sensor and Face ID, because afterward, you don't need to set that. Anyways, here you can see the Next button. Click on this Next button, and here you can see details about Google services. Click on Accept, and next you can see a page like this. If you want to back up everything to Google, you can turn on Backup, or if you don't want to, you can click on Don't Backup. And next, you can see a page like this. Here, they're asking you to select a search engine. Click on this Next button and select the default search engine. In my case, I'm selecting Google. After that, click on this Next button. When you're clicking on that, they're asking you to set up Google Gemini. Click on Next, and I'm clicking on No Thanks, because I'm not setting up Google Gemini now. If you want, you can set it up. Anyways, if you want to review additional apps, you can do that, but as of now, I'm not setting up that. So I'm clicking on No Thanks. Now here you can see copying has started.
They're telling you it'll take around 34 minutes, but if you have selected photos and videos, it may take more time. Anyways, wait for that to complete. When everything is completed, you'll reach a page like this. And one thing is that since this is for tutorial purposes, I have skipped that copying process. But in your case, you should wait for that to complete. Anyways, from this page, you need to click on the Done button. When you're clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Click on OK, and after that, you'll reach a page like this. Click on this Done button. When you're clicking on that, that copying process will be completed.
Now you need to set up your phone like normal. If you want, you can sign in. As of now, I'm skipping this step. And here you can see so many recommended services. You need to read everything. And here, some services won't be useful for you. If you think they're not useful for you, you need to disable those services. So what I recommend is that on your Android phone, you need to check these details. And if you feel any service isn't necessary for you, you need to disable that. Anyways, after that, here you can see the Agree option. Click on Agree. When you're clicking on that, here you can set how your navigation should be. I'm setting it to buttons, and I'm setting it like this. Anyways, click on this Done button. When you're clicking on that, everything will be set. Now click on this Next button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see that your phone is ready. And if all data is copied, in your gallery you can see all the photos and videos that were on your Apple iPhone. And in Messages, you can see all the messages. And all contacts will be copied. So all data will be copied to your new Android phone.
And another thing is that if you have selected any applications to install, they'll automatically get installed in the background, so you don't need to manually install any applications. So this way, you can easily transfer all data from your old Apple iPhone to your new Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.